Yeah. Yeah, I wonder where they go. Gotta get down in there. Yeah, start washing the walls with the spongy start. The spongy side. Don't step on the sump pump.
Be careful. One step at a time.
Oh, oh. Oh yeah, you're taller now, so it's under your head. Shorten this, so maybe shorten it better for doing the walls.
Hey, diggy diggy lion, diggy diggy low, still in love with the better girl. Pop was cold in the coffee stove. Diggy diggy lion, diggy diggy low. Hey, diggy diggy lion, diggy diggy low. And everyone knew he was her beau. Nobody else could ever show so much love was diggy diggy low.
Maybe if you lay down.
I'm now shop vacuuming. Yeah. I'm a professional shop vacker. I get paid $20 for the entire job.
The year is 2011.
And food. And
Take
food.
note.
I'm 17 years old.
You get 3 meals, so 3 meals a day.
She's getting 1942 wages.
Hey, you ever seen
These are valuable skills you girls are learning.
That's right. But the chances are, when you get married, your husband won't use them. He'll refuse. He'll refuse. You'll have to go down.
Just make sure you got city water. Not a holy tank.
Usually married guys with 2 windows, clean toilets, and get dirty.